up, y'all? Got a 7-degree day going on. So good day to let the DRZ eat. Oh boy, MRD exhaust up there sounding good. We got a rocket with us somewhere behind us. We lost them in the curve, but as soon as we get straightaways, he's up on us like quick. It's supposed to rain. Look at that rain cloud. We're gonna get wet. But we're gonna go to this bar over on it's right on the river. Go there and pound a brew. You know, pound a brew or two and your wheelies get better. You know what I'm saying? A beautiful day. Well, not beautiful, but it is a warm day. Feels good. Long sleeve's got to feel nice. A four-wheeler over there. What's he about to do? Wheelie the interstate? Looks like it. Fuck, I ain't got it. He's got it though. One in the air, send that shit. Yeah, bang that turn. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he got it. He got it. Ooh, what's going on here? Picking up cans and trash. So I'm talking about keep the county clean. Damn, look at that fucking spear on the front of that. Talk about a bad day running into that thing. Man, that's the first vehicle we've been behind this whole road. It happens. And these DRZs just ain't got enough if you really want to pass, especially if they want to be a wiener. Man, I'm ready for summertime. Got to finish that Blue Ridge Parkway up. Then I want to throw a set of dirt tires on it and do the Tennessee portion of the Trans-American Trail. Maybe hit the Georgia Traverse Trail. Something like that. Going to Daytona for Jeep Beach in April. Thinking about taking the DRZ down there with me. Tool around a little bit. Be fun. Y'all hear that banjo music yet? Bouncing. Oh yeah, straight up nailed it. Alright, you see way up there? If he even can. That's that rocket. And he gone. As soon as I turned my camera on, it was straight up and left us sitting. What are those? What are them wolves? No, them sheep. Wild sheep. The rocket had to pull over for us. Yeah, he was gone. Never went over the speed limit though. Getting thirsty. Ready for a Miller Lite. Sitting on the deck over the river. That's what I'm talking about. But I can feel like a huge temperature change once I got on this blacktop here. Like noticeably warmer. Craziness. Crazy. Another thing is, that last road I was on, like trees that are overhanging like this, every now and then be like a leaf fall still, like some blowing around and stuff. Felt like I was in a Matrix, like you see them falling all slow and stuff, and I'm trying to like dodge them. They're pretty wild. And we passed it. Well, just had delicious Miller Lite. Had 2 of them actually. It was delicious. Now I think that maybe we lost. Skirt.
Don't it go back?
Yeah, I think we're lost.
I know if you get them 11W, there's one, but that's all the way up to 2 rockets. We go back here to this. We go back there to that rock area. Rock area?
I guess we're turning around and going to some rock area. Oh, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. I don't know where we're going. We lost. That's what beer does to you. So now we're trying to find out where we're going. Oh shit! Get away, Fido! Ah, motherfucker! God damn! Y'all see what I'm talking about? It's a bitch running around here in the county. God damn! Damn, Fido! That dog's name was Bloodbath. See what I'm talking about? Running around out here in the county is sketchy as hell. You gotta always be watching for these vicious ass dogs. Glad we ain't got them attack bears around here. That'd suck. Look at this. Doing supermoto shit with an R1. Talk about a trashy ass place, huh? I don't think it does no good for trash if they ain't picking the shit up. Look at this, look at this. You think I ride down that and come back up it? I don't think so. I don't think so. Well, I got an alarm. Alright. Looky here. Y'all think I'm joking around about the banjo music and shit. We out there. Look at this. Look at this. Would you just look at it? 2 dead deers. I'm sure there's more. Now what the fuck happened there? Yeah. Yep. That's what happens when I am pretty sure that dog that tried to eat my ass is one that's been killing these deers.
That motherfucker was foaming at the mouth and
That's
in the driveway watching us getting attacked and shit. What the fuck's wrong with him?
Yeah, that was an attack collie.
He didn't try to get his
Dog's name, he was whistling. He was like, "Come on, Bloodbath."
it's like
Weird name for a dog. Patrick, I can't read this. It's in Chinese. You'll have to read it.
I got you, bro. Oh, fish no meow. Oh, cat no meow, dog no wolf. Oh, fish no fry. Ooh, you pay for lunch dinner. You pay for lunch buffet, you don't pay for dinner, you got to get up and go. Oh, you want now done? Oh, you pick color. Ooh, you pick blue look good on you. Oh, what are we doing again, bro?
I'm trying to figure out how to pair these headsets.
Oh shit, my bad. I thought this was fucking to put your nails on.
No, that's on this page.
Okay.
Oh, he looks like he gone. Nope. Backed off of it. guy gave us a thumbs up. Must be because my boy got one in the air. That's what I'm talking about. I keep going for a 6th gear. Ah, it's frustrating. And my GoPro's been freezing up. So that's got me pretty fired up, y'all. Tell you what, that was a sketchy place. I don't know what the deal is. They road hunting or something. I don't know. I know it's windy. Windy. Yeah, he gone. That's a white car and he's still getting it. Nice. Oh, you about to get up on one. Oh yeah, he can ride one. That's faux show. His bike's quite a bit quicker than mine too. I don't know if it's because I'm just fat or because he's got the 3x3 mod and the MRD. That's a weird place for them to want deer to cross. Anyways, y'all, this GoPro's about to die. So if I don't get another plot to switch batteries, this video is gonna go right now. Deuces, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. God love any road that's got turns like this. Don't like that dirt. But love carving these turns. Ah, got caught behind the car. Got the battery charged a little. I don't know how it happened, but so we have picked up a KTM 690, like murdered out, and another crotch rocket fell in, and we were just randomly riding. So we got that going on. We're gonna go try to bust up another road real quick. Like we know quite a few people going on. I don't know what he's saying. I got music going. I can't hear shit. I don't know.